So yeah, look at the sexy woman I live with. Sexy. Yes. Talk to me, baby.
Words to describe how I feel. Stop snapping. It's not
Have you seen
funny.
my clothes code?
I'm wearing
the colors are just
shirt. Oh my God. Yeah, you just come sucking the head.
This is the khalas from the trip. Say hello.
Hello.
That Kurdish.
This is to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flame be out in the same. Come finding mountains, got too close to desolation. I see fire burning the trees. I see.
Maybe upstairs?
I'm literally gonna have a nervous breakdown now because we're going up 1,600 meters. There's no video cameras here to catch us if something goes. What do you think? There's no video camera to catch us if something goes wrong, man. They're like mahafis on your own. Sit on the edge. I had to sit on the edge, right? Making a little space in case something happens. I don't really trust this machine. You know? I don't trust it. Actually, here on the road there, you can do dirt biking. There is actually a lot of action sport you can do here on this mountain. This is Mount Korek where we're going up to, and we're gonna be Batman later on. Are we? Yeah. Daya, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. I'll never repeat this again. I'm gonna walk down, okay? Like, guys, there's literally nothing more than 2,000 meters, believe me. And this is not even the highest. Oh my. Kurds have a problem with place. They have actually a lot of mountains, so they said, why not make a amusement park at the top of the mountain, huh? Sky swing? This thing? And we are thinking the Batman thing. Are we smart or are we smart? I'm taking a video of you guys right now. Yeah. What do you feel?
Nervous. Excited.
Man. Yeah, take it. Anything you guys don't want to have with you up there? Bapir unankum leyen. Salam ya lebka. Nala. Salamat ya lebka. Khwa hafiz khalagan. I see fire inside the mountains. Watch out for the fire. Because I can't even see them anymore. Like, honestly, where did they go?
Oh my God, did we really go all the way?
And yes, they're coming back home. These creatures. You see? Welcome home.
Guys, did you film them? Das ist Zona.
Allah, zor koşu.
Nazaton bu.
Doesn't feel like we're in Kurdistan. Guys, look where we are. Who is this? Who are you? Yes, I'm talking to you. You. Yeah?
Jump in.
You want to jump in, yeah?
More than diamonds,
More than gold. I just want to swim, man. It's so... By the way, guys, excuse the fashion. Honestly, you have to excuse the fashion. I even have murga on my clothes. Like, we're literally at the sky level, you know? This is crazy. To be honest, it feels really weird that I'm leaving Kurdistan. I want to take it with me in my pocket. Don't do this.
We are serious too.
Go and jump if you're serious. There's a lot of places to jump from here.
Beautiful! I want to incline myself for life, no? Guys, you don't want to be hung like this? During the sexy time? Oh, this is so nice. So low, no?
Hey, goodbye, waterfall Becha from yesterday. The Khalas in my city.